Skin problems represent boundaries. People who have skin problems like eczema, hives, any skin problems, they have problems with boundaries or how close they allow other people to come into their own energy field. You just need to acknowledge it. You need to acknowledge how it happens. When other people comes to you, you really let their energy into your energetic field, and your boundaries malfunction. And skin represents boundaries. I notice that when people become aware of their boundaries and start to change it, their skin become better. Another way to heal your skin, you can sense the energy that comes from skin inflammation or from skin like dermatitis or psoriasis or eczema. You can feel energetically the energy that comes from this problem, and you can clean it energetically. Every organ generates energy. So everything that is alive generates energy. Skin generates energy. Healthy skin generates very specific energy. It's what I'm now trying to do. I'm sensing my skin on my lower arm and hand. So I don't have arthritis or anything right now. But for example, if I did have arthritis, I would feel different energy. When I feel arthritis, I feel these prickly sensations, like prickly, uneven energy of heat coming from inflamed skin. It is possible to clean. It is possible to clean when you identify these prickly vibrations. You can just remove it by doing sweeping motions, like sweep, sweep, sweep. And another way to do is to do anti-clockwise movement. You need to visualize that there is a watch here and clockwise this way, and then you do anti-clockwise just above the skin spot. You can also add on the energy of color, and it all depends on what kind of problem you have. To clean skin, yellow is a very good color to choose. If you want to reduce inflammation, you can use blue. Just to heal and regenerate your skin, you can use green energy. So this is how you can heal your skin, by acknowledging the boundaries and generally feeling better in your own skin. When you feel good in my own skin, your skin look better. And you do it by understanding your boundaries. And then energy healing, like I showed you, will also help you heal.